Aloha.
Hello, how are you?
Aloha.
Ahoy!
Ahoy. Ahoy. I forgot about that. I was so convinced it was aloha. Ahoy. Hi.
Yeah, this part's boring.
Okay, so if you touch this, then it'll bring you love into your life. We need all of it. We're learning that these are black because they're polluted, just like your soul.
That is true. Very true.
We're going to feed this pony.
This one?
Yes. There's also a sheep.
What do you feel before?
I don't want it to bite me. ¿Se puede mover, por favor?
Hola. ¿Cómo te llamas, baby? What do you feel? Tell us.
I feel great. I love ponies.
We're at the top of the hill where the castle is, and here is a church that reminds me of Notre Dame. This is the oldest section of the church. That is fancy. This is the house of Psychic Matilda. Can we have a typical Czech dinner?
I have to look one up for around here because I'll be honest, I only ate very few Czech restaurants.
You just say burrito loco.
I ate burrito loco a lot. So I'll have to look up what's over here. But yeah, we can definitely go to one.
Okay. All right, at the good food, I got the devil, just like.
I can't believe you got
What did you
that.
get?
Of course. Berries.
Berries,
Mac and cheese.
mac and cheese, and the devil. Wait, what did you get?
Original.
Just an original turtleneck. Now we're in this winter wonderland of a Christmas market.
So magical. Alright.
This is the beautiful astronomical clock. Tell the story, Betty. What is
The
this?
story we were told was that the clockmaker who made it so perfect that the king decided to gouge his eyes out so he could never recreate his work again. Thank you.
Look at this big ass paprika sausage. And it's not even, I think, noon, and we're already having a hot dog for breakfast, basically.
Well, lunchtime.
Yeah, sunshine.
It's our first meal of the day. Other than coffee.
I know it's
That's
so
not a
good.
meal.
Yes, we came here, and it was 250 crown. So you get to see a panoramic view of the city. It needs a name. What should we name it?
Booger.
No. We can't, we just have to think about it.
Turn around. Turn around.
Like him.
We are gonna name him
The devil?
Coco.
Mowgli. No, that's the kid from Mowgli.
And kiss my
Mowgli.
kiss my butt. Kiss my ass. Kiss my ass. I'm gonna walk back here. Yeah, yeah. 2, yeah, 3, yes, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't like him.
Alright, so we are in a medieval prison right now. Let me show you guys this. It's a cage. That looks very comfortable. The Joker. It's our last night together, and we came to absinthe 3 to try absinthe. Is not originally from Czech Republic? No. Here. Yeah. You gotta mix it up. After it's finished dripping, we'll put it here. And cheers!